Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens at the house. We are rocking and rolling with 3D printing in class here, and we have been submitting some assignments. There has been one assignment that I wanted to. I forgot to post a video about this yesterday, and I need to explain the assignment today. And it is for our chess pieces. Okay, we have 3 people who have turned them in. Let's see what we have here. Let's check this out. In this chess set, then he has put the names instead of characters. He has put the names of players here. Now, I don't really like this one very much. Let's see if we can find a different one here. Let's see here. Back out. Go here. Opening this up. And he has developed a set of chess pieces that are, these are the 8 pawns. These are stormtroopers. And here we have the king, which is Emperor, whatever his name is. The queen, Darth Vader. We have these ships here. I can't remember all their names. I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. But anyhow, your task is to create chess pieces, and you have an assignment in your Google Classroom. Your assignment is to create chess pieces and create them with a theme. So this is obviously a Star Wars theme. I want you to use this theme to create your pieces. Do not copy and paste and just add in a set of chess pieces, because I know that you can find those out in the 3D printing world. I want you to use your own individual design. All right, guys, that's it for Coach Hodges. Hope y'all are doing well. Y'all take care, and see you later. Bye-bye.